I, Jules Olivier, having heard what the law requires, is suppose agree with any precision that you, Hala Rubenhost, be my wife and we live together as per our agreements and in accordance with the law of the Republic of Rwanda.
I, Carla Budenhorst, having heard what the law requires, the spouses agree without any collusion that you, Gilles Olivier, be my husband, and we live together as per our agreement in accordance with the law